Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So OnePlus 7 just received a new update, that is Oxygen OS version 9.5.8. Now this is a very incremental update, so I'll be keeping the video short. The update will be released in a timely manner, so it will take some time to reach all of the users. I also got the update quite late. It has been around 4 to 5 days. First, let me just show you how you can update your mobile. Just go to settings and then scroll down and go to system here. And then scroll down and tap on system updates. Here as you can see, it's showing that your system is up to date since I have already installed the update. In your case, it will should download and install the update, so just tap on it to initiate the process. So let's just go back to the update log. So here as you can see guys, these are the features. First feature is optimized adaptive brightness. Now I've been using the mobile for about a day, and let me tell you, adaptive brightness is still hit and miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In my case, it was randomly decreasing the brightness and was not able to quickly increase the brightness when required. So during the daytime, I just disabled it. And let me just perform a quick adaptive brightness test in the dark environment. So I'll just place the mobile here and turn off the screen and switch off the lights, and we'll switch on the screen and see if the brightness levels adjust by itself. Alright, so the lights have been turned off guys, and now I'll just switch on the screen. Let's see if the brightness adjusts itself. Yeah, so here as you can see guys, the brightness levels have been adjusted by itself. So adaptive brightness works very nicely in the dark environment. Now I'll just switch on the lights and we'll perform this test again. So the lights have been turned on guys, and now I'll switch on the screen. Yeah, so here as you can see guys, the brightness levels have been adjusted by itself. So in the dark environment, auto brightness works very nicely, but during the daytime it was hit and miss. I was not impressed by it even after this update. Coming on to the next feature guys, fix the issue with quick setting menu dropping down due to accidental touches while on a call. So this will make sure that the notification menu won't pop up accidentally during a call. It basically fixed an issue which led to accidental touches on the notification bar during calls. And coming on to the next feature, updated GMS to June 2019. Basically all Google mobile services as well as apps like Google Chrome, Search, Maps, Google Play services, YouTube have also been updated to latest version from June 2019, so that's good to know. Coming on to the next feature, they updated the Android security patch level for the month of August. Now that's great to see. Here as you can see guys, Android security patch level is for 1st August 2019. Now OnePlus is really fast in getting these updates. For example, my Redmi K20 Pro still has the Android security patch level for the month of June. So kudos to OnePlus 7 for releasing these updates quickly. Coming on to the last feature guys, general bug fixes and improvements. Now I'm going to show you some benchmark results. First I have the AnTuTu score 363,163. The CPU score was around 120,000. The GPU score was around 155,538. UX score was around 75,000. And the memory score was around 12,300. So this is a pretty standard score for OnePlus 7. Coming on to the Geekbench score, single core score was around 3,442, very impressive, and the multi-core score was around 10,753. So these scores are pretty good. And coming on to 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme score, OpenGL score was around 5,728, and the Slingshot Extreme Vulkan score is around 5,027. These scores are also very impressive. So OnePlus is still going to perform like a champ during the gameplays. Now this update is also claimed to improve touch response. So you should be having a very snappy experience. So guys, I'll end this video here. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, you can hit the dislike button. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you're looking forward to such similar content in the near future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.